Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I want to show you how to enable Smart Sidebar. So the Smart Sidebar feature on your OnePlus 15 is a very useful feature for multitasking, which allows you to quickly launch applications into floating windows. So let's go to settings and you want to scroll to section accessibility and convenience, and from here go to Smart Sidebar. So of course you want to enable it, and once enabled you should see a small bar that appears on the edge of your screen right here, and you can pull this out to access your list of applications and some tools. Okay, so additionally here you can customize it a little bit. Let's go to floating bar, and here you can adjust its size, transparency, up and down, or you can set if you want it to be on the left or on the right side. Okay, additionally you can adjust sidebar style if you want it to be one column or two columns. And what else? I think that's all. That's not all. Let's open this Smart Sidebar. Let's tap edit button, and here you can add, remove or rearrange applications in your sidebar. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.